Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here and tuning in. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos coming soon to my channel. Getting right into this video, I'm using the Starry Night Whispers Makartt Polygel Kit. First of all, the packaging in this kit is everything. The blue and the purple is so pretty. I love the color combo here. You get your base and your top coat like you do in every Makartt Polygel kit. You get your 100-180 nail file. You have a brush with a spatula on the end for your polygel and scooping it out. And you also get 6 gorgeous polygel colors that I really could not help myself. I had to use all of the colors because they were just so pretty. And then of course, like in every polygel kit, you have the directions of how to use the polygel, and then you also get a box of dual forms. These have curved and they have flat straight ones for different nails. I'm doing the Femi Beauty Method, or formerly known as Lazy Girl Method. I'm using my Kiara Sky Gelly tips as my full cover nails in the almond shape. If you've never done the Femi Beauty Method before, this method will last you 2 to 3 weeks if you do the proper nail prep. So you always go through and you push back your cuticles, and right here I'm using the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Removal. You let this sit around your cuticle for about 15 seconds, and then you basically just go right in there and you scrape it off, and it scrapes off any dead skin that was sitting around your cuticle. And then I always take my e-file, the round bit or the cuticle ball bit, and I just go right over top of the cuticle so I don't have to use my nippers, and that usually cleans it up pretty nicely. Taking a regular hand file, I'm just going over the tops of my nails to remove any of the shine on there, buffing those up. And then you're going to want to go in with a dehydrator. If you don't want to spend money on a dehydrator, you can use rubbing alcohol 91%. That should work just as well. Anyways, you want to go nicely over all of your nails and let that sit for just a few seconds. And then you're going to want to go in with your bonder. Adding a bonder just ensures that there isn't any lifting, giving that extra adhesion for any nail extensions that you do. Going in with my e-file, I'm just going to buff up the jelly tips so the polygel has something to stick to and just gives it the best adhesion possible. I found these 3D charms, moon and star charms on Etsy, or it was AliExpress, that I really wanted to use for the set, but I found out later on that they were too big for me to use on the inside of the nail, and that they were probably meant to be more encapsulated on the outside. So I think I might do another set to use the charms that I actually wanted to. Take your base coat and you apply that to your nails and you cure that for 60 seconds. I like to do 2 nails at a time so I don't get little hairs or anything on that because it's sticky. So then you take your nails that you are going to put the glitters and stuff in. You apply the base coat, put your glitters in there, and I'm actually using these little stars that I got on Etsy. And then I take some of this blue glitter that I got in a different polygel kit. I'm just applying that on the inside. I'm going to flash cure that for about 10 seconds. And then I'm going to go through and apply my polygel colors. When you're sizing your nails in the beginning before you start your application, if the nail is slightly bigger than your sidewall to sidewall, but you're adding glitters and you want to flash cure, keep in mind that when you flash cure that it will shrink the nail. So when you go through and you do it for 15 or 20 seconds, however long you're going to flash cure it for, that will shrink the nail a little bit. And you'll notice that it's not going to be, it'll probably fit you just perfectly if it was slightly bigger, if you do flash cure any glitters or anything like that. I hope that makes sense. I forgot to mention that you do need to use a slip solution when you use polygel. So again, you can use alcohol, rubbing percent, really. You can use rubbing alcohol, 91% or 70% works too. Or you can actually use the base coat that's included in the kit. That works as well. If you're a beginner, this method is perfect for you. You can create the cutest press-on nails with polygel. You can even do this method with acrylic. I haven't done that yet, but I probably will here in the future. Polygel is beginner friendly, so if you're new to nails and you just want to start off with something, I do recommend the Makartt polygel. It is super easy to use. It's blendable. This video is in no way sponsored. I'm not affiliated. I just genuinely like their products.
It's a really nice day, living in the right space. Breathing your grace, got me feeling some kind of way. Yeah, you're keeping me sane, got me in my right brain. I can't explain, but I'm feeling some kind of way. You know what you see is what you find. You just keep the peace of my mind. And you know I believe in no sign. Cause no matter where I go, it's alright. Every day I see the sunrise. Even if it feels like a climb, I don't have to walk that line. That's why I wake up and it's a really nice day, living in the right space. Breathing your grace, got me feeling some kind of way. Yeah, you're keeping me sane, got me in my right brain. I can't explain, but I'm feeling some kind of way. You got me like, ooh, I can shake it. Breathing in your grace like, ooh, I won't trade it. You got me like, ooh, I can shake it. Living in the space like, ooh, I won't trade it. Shining in the dark without my bright side. Wanna see your image like an icon. Couldn't even see it with the lights on. Had to try and get you with a Nikon. Yeah, change the atmosphere, you got me feeling loosely. A better picture, I can see it like the movies. Now I know that you're the one, not 2, 3. Don't hit and run, way to glory like a done. It's a really nice day, living in the right space. Breathing your grace, got me feeling some kind of way. Yeah, you're keeping me sane, got me in my
After I apply on my nails, I like to cure that into the lamp for a full 60 seconds to make sure it is cured and secured. And then I like to take my e-file here, go around the cuticle, clean up anything that may have spilled out. And then on the jelly tips, they do have like little plastic jagged edges that are at the very tips. So I just like to file those off and maybe clean up anything that may have spilled along the side. And then I like to take my buffing block and just go over the top of the nail before I apply top coat.
It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it.
To apply the gems, I'm using the Makartt rhinestone gel glue, and then these little these white circular things kind of reminded me of the moon, so I just went with that vibe of everything, moon, stars, Starry Night Whispers, and yeah, just rolled with it.
I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. So do you wanna take me back? All of our broken plans, so we can start again. Won't turn down a second chance, I'm too selfish for that. I let you fall again, now that you know that. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.
After I apply the gems on each nail, I do flash cure it for about 10 seconds just so they don't move on me, and then I go through and I put the top coat on. Once I put the top coat on, I cure it for about 30 seconds. I'll do a full cure at the end, but just to save time, I like to do it just for 30 seconds, just so I can keep on moving.
I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me.
If you're getting anything out of this video, if you could please like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. Do you like this kit? Do you like these colors? What would you have done differently? I think they turned out okay. I kind of had a different direction in my head when I first started, and I wasn't able to do that just because the gems or the charms that I had picked out were a tad too big to do with this method. So I'm definitely going to try that again and try to encapsulate them on top, maybe with acrylic or something. But always apply cuticle oil after all of the work that you just put your nails through. This is a finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and doing nails with me today. I appreciate you, and I really, really hope to see you in my next one. Bye!
Try